एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आप सभी के लिए MBA सेकेंड सेमेस्टर बिजनेस रिसर्च मेथड का क्वेश्चन पेपर लेके आई हूँ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, अटेम्प्ट एनी 4 पार्ट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। डिफाइन द टर्म रिसर्च। व्हाट आर द कंपोनेंट ऑफ रिसर्च प्रॉब्लम। डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन सैम्पलिंग एंड नॉन सैम्पलिंग एरर। एक्सप्लेन द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ enumerators. Differentiate between parametric and non-parametric tests. Attempt any 4 parts of the following. Question number 2, what factor affects sample design. Differentiate between questionnaire and schedule. What do you mean by type 1 error and type 2 error. Explain the term conceptual research. Differentiate between open-ended and close-ended question with example. Question number 3, attempt 2 part of the following. Researchers must consider with proper fact finding, analysis and evaluation. Do you agree with this statement? Give reason in support of your answer. Question B, describe the step involved in research process with proper diagram. Discuss in detail the ingredients and construction of research report. Question 4, attempt any 2 part of the following. Explain the different method of collecting data. Discuss the guideline to construct a questionnaire. What are non-parametric tests? Explain any two non-parametric tests. What do you mean by term measurement? Explain the characteristic and various types of measurement scale. Question 5, attempt any 2 part of the following. What do you understand by non-probability sampling? How it differ from probability sampling? Also explain types of probability sampling. 8 coins were tossed 256 times and the following results were obtained. Are the coin based? Use chi-square test assuming the value at 5% level of significance. It's 15.507. What do you understand by t-test? Write the step involved in calculation of t-test by taking example of your own. Also explain its significance in hypothesis testing. अगर आप सभी इसकी PDF चाहते हैं तो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल।